So this serum claims to give you glass skin in just 2 weeks. But does it actually work, or is it just another Instagram hyped product? So today in this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Dorian Key Strawberry Bright 10% Niacinamide Serum. Oh my god, such a long name. But this particular product has been all over the internet. So I had to test it out to check if it's actually worth the money or it's just another overhyped product. So the serum claims to brighten dull skin, fades dark spot and even out skin tone with 10% of niacinamide present in this. It's also supposed to give you that glass skin kind of glow while keeping your skin barrier happy. So let's check the ingredient list first. What all ingredients are there in it? So first main ingredient is niacinamide, of course, and it contains 10%, which is a really good percentage of niacinamide as it is a high concentrated barrier support ingredient. Secondly, it contains strawberry extract, which is rich in antioxidants, help protect skin from free radicals, and adds to the brightening effect. Next up, it includes vitamin B12, which has been used to reduce dullness, soothe skin, and gives its serum a natural pink hue. And the last major ingredient includes hyaluronic acid, which is another form of sodium hyaluronate that boosts hydration and increase the plumping effect in your skin. Now some additional ingredients also include witch hazel, which has been known for its soothing function for the skin, a mix of amino acids and humectants, glycerine, PCA that helps support skin's moisture levels, and lastly vitamin E, which is an antioxidant again to protect your skin. So in short, this serum isn't just a pretty pink bottle. Its hero is 10% niacinamide, which is quite strong, supported by strawberry extract for antioxidant action, vitamin B12 to reduce dullness, and hyaluronic acid to add hydration. You are getting brightening, barrier care, and glow in just one single step. Now let's talk about the packaging and texture of the product. Talking about the texture, it's supremely lightweight on the skin, non-sticky, and absorbs really fast into your skin. It's a perfect serum if you live in a humid area or if you have like a combination to oily skin type. And the packaging is honestly adorable. It's a frosted pink glass bottle with a dropper that looks absolutely stunning and aesthetic in your vanity. Now talking about the fragrance, it does have a noticeable strawberry scent, which I personally enjoy, but if you're someone very sensitive to fragrance, this may not work for you. The fragrance, however, fades away in a minute or so, but yeah, if you are allergic to strong fragrance or if you're super sensitive skin, I will say take a patch test if you really want to try that out. Talking about the pros and cons of the product. For pro, it's lightweight and non-sticky, provides instant glow and brightness to the skin, looks absolutely stunning under makeup. Price point is extremely affordable, and the best part is it doesn't irritate dry skin. The con, I will say fragrance, it might bother people with sensitive skin, and it doesn't majorly fades hyperpigmentation if that's your concern. So what I will say, if you're looking for a glassy glowy skin in a budget, this product is definitely worth investing. But if you're someone who wants to fade away that strong stubborn hyperpigmentation, you might have to pair this up with a strong vitamin C serum. This alone cannot deal with that issue. So my final rating for this product, I'd give this serum a 9 on 10 for glow, 8 on 10 for texture, and 6 on 10 for pigmentation. And it is such a cute, effective, and beginner-friendly serum if you're just starting out with niacinamide. That's all the information that I wanted to share with you guys about this serum. I hope this video is a little helpful for you. I'll see you within another video tomorrow. Till then, you can subscribe to the channel and get notified on the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.